everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy things with your reward points on your Xbox Series X. So press the Xbox button, and then open up the side menu and tab on over to your profile. And select A on it, and go down to my rewards. So you can see I have about 6,000 reward points. Press A on it, and it'll bring you to this page. Claim any reward points at the top. Now on the right here, it says Xbox Rewards, explore the reward category or catalog. Select A on this. And this is what you can buy with it. So it says shop. You got gift card, you got League of Legends gift card, Roblox, Gamepass Ultimate, so you can buy more subscriptions for this. And this is everything we can go ahead and purchase. So it doesn't look like there's any games in here, it's just some sort of monetary thing. But you can get Game Pass with it, which will save you like a month payment of that. So right here it's $1,400. Here's a $5 gift card. I could buy this right now. So if I go to this, I can go to redeem reward, and I can go ahead and get that right away. Otherwise, there's options to donate your money if you want. Otherwise, auto redeem $10 gift card. Let's go to auto redeem 1 month Xbox Game Pass Core. Select this, and you can set it as auto redeem. So every time you get to 9,250 points, it's going to automatically redeem Xbox Game Pass Core for you. So you might want to go ahead and set this up. So confirm and redeem. I'm a little bit far away from that, so it doesn't really matter for me. So I'm just going to back out. And you can see how you unlock all these various points right here. Pretty much just have to play and complete daily quests, and you should be able to unlock these points. So this one is 1,000 reward points, complete 36 dailies and 8 weekly quests. So just do that for the month and you should be good. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Gaming.